Good day and welcome to the 2 Minute Tip. Today it's all about camera angles. It's funny, we never would have given any thought to our cameras. But now that we find ourselves in online meetings and classes, cameras become more important. Something seems off to me. Does it seem off to you? Ah, I know what it is. There we go. That's better. This is a more natural camera angle. I'm at eye level with the camera. It allows you to see my whole face, and because of where it's positioned, I can show you some hand gestures with my speaking. Unfortunately, I find that the youthful speakers sometimes get short shrift on their camera angles because they're on devices that are normally run by mom and dad. I've seen cameras that all I can see on the youth is the top of their heads. I've seen cameras where I can't quite see the youth at all. Maybe I see something like this. So, mom and dad, have a look at your camera angle. Make sure that your child can be seen when they go online. It will help whoever is facilitating the class or lesson, and it'll also help them with their confidence and their public speaking skills. So adjust that camera depending on which family member is using the equipment. You're going to find that you will be creating stronger speakers and communicators and improving the confidence of your child. Would you like to learn more tips about public speaking or communication? Please follow us at E3 Toronto or visit our website, e3toronto.com. And as always, keep on smiling. We'll talk again soon.